Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the More icon, then click here to the settings, and after that tap Google Assistant. Now just switch this section to Assistant section and click to the Hey Google and Voice Match section. After that, just to activate Hey Google, you should switch on, so just click once on the switcher to turn it on, then just click to next, read here the description and to click yes, I agree. After that, just click here continue, and now we should add here our voice model, so click here to retain voice model and say okay Google. Okay Google. Once again say Hey Google and Hey Google. After that, just wait a second, tap here to the finish on the right down corner, and now when you say Hey Google or okay Google, we can see that but be sure that the Google Assistant is turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.